Hi folks, welcome back. Now it's the time to know why our established in 2020 text was not italicized. It's because we didn't apply established class to the paragraph text yet. So let's do that in this step 61. Yes, as you can see, the text is in italics now. Good job. Step 62. So the font size of both H1 and H2 headings is set by default values of the user's browsers. So let's change it and set the font size of H1 as 40 pixels and H2 as 30 pixels. Step 63. Nice. It's time to add footer element. Well, footer is typically used to add extra information, such as link, address, etc. Step 64. Inside our footer element, let's add a paragraph element. Then let's nest an anchor element in the paragraph element that links to FreeCodeCamp website and has the text as visit our website. When you click on the text visit our website, it redirects to FreeCodeCamp's website. But you know what? The link gonna open in the same tab. It's so annoying when that happens. So I want this link to open in a new tab. So let's add a target attribute to the anchor element with the value as _blank. Step 65. Let's add another paragraph element below our website link and give it the text as 123 FreeCodeCamp Drive. If you are wondering what that is, it's our cafe address. Step 66. To add an horizontal line after the established in the year 2020 text, we use horizontal rule, that is, HR element, which acts as a divider between sections of different content. It's an empty element, hence it doesn't have a closing tag. Step 67. The default properties of an horizontal rule element will make it appear as a thin light gray line. Good thing is we can make it thick by changing its height value. Let's keep it 3 pixels for now. Can you see our thin light gray line has gotten a little bit thicker now? Step 68. Let's change background color of our horizontal rule element to brown, so it matches the color of the coffee beans. We all about those aesthetics, you know? And mostly because you can't see that light gray line. Step 69. Have you guys got sharp eagle eyes to notice the gray borders on all 4 edges of the line? Each can have its own color, but no thank you. We need everything brown because of coffee beans aesthetics, remember? So change that gray border color to brown real quick. Step 70. Damn, our horizontal line got real thick on top and bottom by 1 pixel, each, which is default value of border width. You ask why? Well, that happened because we set our border color same as background color of our horizontal rule, which is brown. Originally, we set line height as 3 pixels. Now additional 2 pixels got added on top and bottom, which makes it 5 pixels in total. But we need it to look a little bit thin, so let's change height of our line as 2 pixels. So that total height becomes 4 pixels. Yep, that's the perfect height our horizontal line. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you in the next one.